Choosing color can be a bit daunting and overwhelming. This is why we're bringing you the Paint with Pilani series by builders, using their 230 tintable colors from their Fired Earth Modo range. All you have to do is to follow the @builders fan page on Instagram and Facebook, and I know there's a color just for you. Now this is what I would call a focal point. You can decorate the cabinet with pops of color by using various accessories. More and more people are opting for staycations and turning their homes into those cool, exotic spaces and destinations that they long for. So home bars and entertainment spaces are a big trend.